Do you know that every day millions of people go on Pinterest not only to search for beautiful ideas but also to find products or solutions for their problems? This has turned Pinterest into a high-quality traffic source for those who want to do affiliate marketing. So, how can you make the most of this platform? Unlike Facebook or Instagram, Pinterest users usually have a clear intention when they visit. For example, they might be looking for home decoration ideas, cooking recipes, beauty tips, or even specific products. This means that traffic from Pinterest usually has a very clear purpose, and the conversion rate into customers will be higher. Because users are actively searching for solutions or products for their problems. Even if they don't make a purchase immediately, they often save the pin to review later. This traffic is much warmer compared to randomly posting an ad on Facebook. A pin you post on Pinterest can bring you traffic for months, even years, not just for a few hours or days like a post on Facebook or TikTok. The more people save your pin, the more Pinterest prioritizes showing it, helping you reach a large number of users completely for free. To start affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you can refer to the 5-step model below. The first step is to find a niche market. Choosing the right niche helps you find products and create content more easily. You can research on Pinterest, Amazon, or Google Trends to see what products or keywords are trending. To choose the right niche, you need to keep in mind that the niche must have many ideas to explore. There should be suitable and diverse affiliate products. And it must be large enough to have customers but not too broad to avoid competition. For example, if you focus on beauty, you could choose a niche like teen skincare tips for oily skin. After finding a product niche, you need to find affiliate networks that connect you with product suppliers. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Easy to Register, Diverse Products, ClickBank, Many Digital Products, Courses, eBooks, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate. When choosing a network, you should prioritize reputable ones with clear payment policies and good user support. Additionally, the products on those networks must match your niche. And the interface should be simple, easy to navigate and manage. The next step is to find products that provide good profits and match the niche you have chosen. A good product should meet these criteria. Attractive commission, high conversion rate, it solves customers' problems, and especially has high-quality images/videos, making it easy to create content. This is a very important factor for a visual platform like Pinterest. Don't be afraid to try high-priced products. Sometimes, a high-ticket product with a high commission will yield better profits than selling hundreds of low-cost products. To post on Pinterest, you must first create an account. You should register for a business account to access Pinterest analytics, run ads, manage campaigns, and many other useful tools. After creating the account, optimize your SEO for the profile, such as including the main niche keyword in your profile name and description. Add your website or blog link as well. When you want to expand into multiple niches or simply create multiple Pinterest accounts to optimize your strategy, instead of creating multiple Chrome profiles, which are easily detected by the website, use Antidetect browser tools like Hidemyacc. Each Hidemyacc profile will have its own settings. When you attach a proxy, these profiles act like independent devices using separate networks, helping you avoid detection by Pinterest for using multiple accounts at once, thus minimizing the risk of account bans. Next, how can you create effective content to drive organic traffic on Pinterest? You can follow two approaches. One is to create boards, where you gather multiple pins, either your own or others. Optimize SEO by naming and describing the board with keywords related to that group of pins. The second approach is to create posts with high-quality images or videos. You should prioritize vertical pins in a 2:3 or 9:16 ratio, as they are optimized for display on Pinterest. Pin titles should be concise, containing the main keyword. In the description section, you can go into more detail, include related keywords, and explain the value of the pin. Don't forget to add your affiliate link or a link leading to your landing page/website. You can crawl ideas from other platforms, like TikTok, for example. Go on TikTok, search for related keywords, select videos with high views that match your intended direction, download the videos, and re-upload them to Pinterest. Try experimenting with different types of pins and varying titles to create high-quality pins and maintain your account's presence. If you're just starting affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you can refer to the steps mentioned by Hidemyacc in the video. In the next video, Hidemyacc will introduce some tools to assist in the affiliate marketing process on Pinterest, such as Sort Pin. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when the video is uploaded. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next videos.